Today, I'll show you how to add a Proton Mail alias step by step so you can keep your main inbox more private and organized. An alias is basically an extra email address that still delivers messages into your Proton Mail account without exposing your primary address. It's great for signing up to websites, newsletters, or services where you don't want to share your main email. To get started, open your web browser and go to protonmail.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your Proton Mail account with your usual credentials. Make sure you're on the official Proton site and that the connection is secure before you enter anything. Once you're in, you'll land in your inbox or main dashboard, depending on your settings. From here, look toward the right side of the screen for the Security Center option. The exact layout can change slightly over time, but you're typically looking for a section or icon labeled Security Center or something very similar. This is where Proton Mail groups a lot of privacy and security related tools, including aliases. Go ahead and click on Security Center to open it. Inside the Security Center, you'll see different features and settings, but what we care about right now is the option to create an alias. Look for a button or link that says create an alias. When you've found it, click it. This will open a form where you can configure the details of your new alias. The first thing you'll usually see is a field for the title and the alias itself. The title is mainly for your own reference. It doesn't change how the email works. Think of it as a label that helps you remember why you created that alias. For example, you might name it shopping, newsletters, or work projects, depending on where you plan to use it. Type a clear descriptive title so that later, when you're managing multiple aliases, you can instantly see what each one is for. Next, you'll define the actual alias address. This is the email that you'll give out to others. Proton Mail might suggest part of it automatically or let you customize it within the rules of your plan. Choose something that makes sense to you but doesn't reveal sensitive personal information. Once you're happy with it, move on to the forwarding and notes fields. You'll see a place to enter where the alias should forward to. In many cases, this will simply be your main Proton Mail address, but if there are options, make sure the forwarding address is correct and belongs to you. This ensures messages sent to the alias actually arrive where you expect them. You may also see a notes field. This is optional, but it can be really helpful. Use it to record how you're using this alias, such as used for streaming subscriptions or given to clients from company A. These notes are private and can save you a lot of guessing later. Once you've filled out the title, the alias, the forwarding address, and any notes, you're ready to finalize it. Look for the button labeled Create and Copy Alias. Click this button to create the alias. Proton Mail will set it up and automatically copy the new alias address to your clipboard. From here, you can paste it directly into a sign-up form, a contact list, or wherever you're planning to use it. That's all it takes to add a Proton Mail alias. By taking a few seconds to set these up, you can better manage who has your contact information and quickly filter or disable specific addresses if they start getting spam.